Today we'll talk about how can you enable text message on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you come here to my communication preferences. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down. Then you just come here to text message here. Clicking this sign here. So that like you see this color show for us. That's main text message enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.